Hello guys! Today I will teach you how to chop an onion, but no tears, no crying, relax. What are you going to need? A knife, a very sharp knife, a cutting board, and of course an onion. First tip, in order to your cutting board not to slide, grab a wet cloth, a wet rag, put it in your table, and then you put your cutting board over the wet rag so your cutting board won't slide. Come closer. First of all, grab your onion and cut in half. Do not cut the root off, because the moment you cut this off is the moment you start crying. Alright? So let's go. Cut in half. Place it the flat side on the bottom. I will just get rid of this. Get rid of this, okay, because this is ugly. Now you have to make a lot of cuts like this, as close to the root as you can get. Got it? Then you're gonna make one cut in the middle of the onion. Do not put any pressure on it, right? Let the knife do the work. I think it's my son coming in. Mateus! Come here! Dá pra ver aqui direitinho?
Tá, sim.
Now you grab the onion like a tennis ball. One finger in the front, two in the back, and let the knuckles of your fingers guide the knife. Do not cut like this because you're going to cut yourself. Do it like that because, again, the knuckles will guide the knife. Let the knife do the job. And you can just chop. Hold it together and you chop. Do not worry about speed because speed comes with the time. So just chop. Very nice. And at the end, do it like this. And you have no waste. The other way is cutting bigger slices because, for example, I like bigger slices. So you just hold the onion, knuckles to guide the knife, and you just chop. Again. No waste. So guys, that's the end of today's lesson. On the next class, I will teach you how to chop a... On the next class, I will teach you how to chop a sweet pepper. Okay? Bye.